Dear friends, UPSC 2023 notification is out. 1105 vacancies is a very good opportunity for all of us. Using effective strategy, definitely you can clear this examination in this attempt itself. In this video, we'll be seeing how to read Indian polity for UPSC prelims examination. Indian polity is one of the foundational subjects in your examination, both for prelims as well as mains. What and all you should cover or how you should study Indian polity effectively in the next 100 plus days is what we are going to see in this video. There are certain things which you should not miss. Number one, you should be very clear about the concepts. Concept clarity is the most important thing you have to develop in polity because they ask questions to test the concept. Take for example, there was a question on constitutional government, federal polity, parliamentary democracy. Like that, constitution and conceptual clarity is very, very important. Number two, you should also know how to apply the concepts. Only if you are clear with the concepts, you can apply the concept. Take for example, you study the fifth schedule. They are asking if you bring an area under fifth schedule, what will be the consequence of that? So, application of the concept is very important. And thirdly, you should also be very thorough with the constitutional provisions. Fourthly, the legal provisions also you should be knowing about. For example, the Contempt of Court Act, then the legal provisions which has been enacted by the British, like Government of India Acts 1919, 1935. So, not only constitutional provisions, but legal provisions made by the British and important legal provisions which has been made after the commencement of Constitution also will have to be read by you. Then you also should know that we should move beyond the conventional sources. There are questions which are not just sticking to the conventional sources, they are going beyond the conventional sources. Now, what are the conventional sources which we normally follow? We follow Lakshmikant for Indian polity. Then we also follow two NCERT books. One is 11th NCERT Political Theory and the second is again 11th NCERT Indian Constitution at Work. Apart from this also, you should make a preparation, especially the current affairs preparation. Recent judgments are there. Connect the recent judgments with the constitutional provisions. Some law has been amended in the recent times. What is that amendment? That you should be thorough about. Some institutions will come in the news. Constitutional institutions or the legal institutions like National Human Rights Commission, they also will be asked in the examination. Most importantly, if you wanted to get an edge in comparison to others, you should connect the provisions given in the constitution. So only when you connect the provisions, for instance, you can connect the Supreme Court with that of the High Court. Make a comparison. You can compare Parliament with that of the state legislature. You can compare fifth schedule with that of the sixth schedule. You can compare fundamental duty with that of the fundamental rights. So if you can compare the centralization which has been made by the British Parliament in the form of law with that of the federal polity, you will be able to have a thorough understanding of the constitutional provisions. So, if you do this, definitely we can effectively do Indian polity, which will increase the probability of success in the prelims examination. In the next series of videos, we'll be seeing most important topic which has to be studied by any student preparing for this examination. Thank you. See you in the next video.